Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we got an exciting product. Check it out, guys. Look at this massive tank. This thing is awesome. So this is called a crawler. It's a gear, wheel, high-speed drifting vehicle. 360 rotate. Let's go ahead, unbox this, and see what's inside. So guys, this is it. Check out this monster. So as you guys can see, holding it with two hands, I mean, this thing is big, and this thing is bad, and this thing is awesome. So guys, this also shoots water. If you go ahead and lift up this gas tank in the back here, you can pour water inside there. They do give you a little nozzle for putting the water in. We'll test that out for you guys in a bit here. Let's go ahead and check out the battery and what that looks like. So this is it. This is the battery. And you get two charging cables. So that means there's probably a battery already installed, just not connected. Let's go ahead, turn this upside down. You have your on off down here. You're gonna need a screwdriver to open this up. All right, once open, we see that there are a battery inside here already. So for that, for charging, it's simple. This is a USB charger. You plug it into a USB port, and you just connect the white to the white. For this, you connect the yellow to the yellow. If it doesn't go in the holes, then turn it the other way, and push in. And then you can go ahead and place your battery and all the cables back down inside. Make sure no cables are being pinched. Put the screw back in and we're good to go. All right, turn on the power button. It starts blinking, and that means it's trying to enter pairing mode with your controller. So with your controller, you're gonna need 3 AA batteries. They do not provide them. So let's go ahead, drop in 3 AA batteries here. All right, now we turn on our remote, and now it's paired. Check that out, guys. So you got these lights, flashing lights up here as well. On the remote, you have smoking. So you press the smoking button and then it shoots out the water. It's mist, but they call it smoking. We'll show you guys then. Remote is simple. Steer with this. Trigger for reverse, forward. This thing has a lot of torque, let me tell you guys. That is really awesome. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off while we show you guys some more features. So you press and hold the power button. Now what's cool about this is both doors actually open, and you could put a figure inside there. It actually is plenty of room inside. We would love to get a camera and mount it at the windshield sometime for a future video. That would be really awesome. All right, let's go ahead and add some water to the tank and show you guys the smoking feature. So for the tank, we're gonna take off this important tips. We're gonna go ahead, take our dropper and squeeze the water down inside. All right, now we added enough, maybe a little too much, but that's all right. Just some water. This thing is designed to be a beast. All right, let's go ahead and show you the feature. All right, guys, check this out. So when you have the smoking feature on, the back lights light up. Let's see if you got it. No, it's just for the smoking feature. So that is really awesome. Check that out, guys. And that's just water. So it's simply spraying water. All right, guys, let's test this out.